Visiting the fair and connecting with suppliers is important, but it's just a small part of successfully importing products from China. We spoke with the Australian Importing Club China Office Manager Jason, who has over 15 years experience in the industry, to explain some of the misconceptions about importing from China and why you shouldn't try this alone.
My name is Jason, and I have been with AIC for 6 years. I am the manager of the AIC China Office. I have more than 15 years of experiences of the importing from China to Australia and any other countries as well. And before I joined the AIC Club, I used to be a sales manager for the US market for top 500 in the world. I've been to the Canton Fair for more than 20 times, and at its beginning, I acted as an exhibitor. So I know what the buyer's most problem will be. So now I hope the Australian Importing Club members do not make these mistakes again. The first big problem that buyers always make is they go to the exhibition center, come to the booth and visit the exhibitors there. They think it's a manufacturer, but actually they are trading companies or even it's private. The worst thing in dealing with a trading company is you place the order to them and they take the money, just disappeared. Dealing with the trading companies, you don't have any promise of the product's delivery time, the quality control, and also the price is hard to negotiate it because they do not produce. The second problem is you find a supplier and go to their booth, find the correct products, but due to the difference of the business culture, they might give you a higher price on the products you want. You might do something offend them, so they give you a higher price or hard to negotiate with. The third problem is to find a good supplier, good products and a reasonable price. You import it into Australia, but when you open the package, you find broken or problems, or it's even rubbish. You can't sell them out. Just come to the Canton Fair and find a booth and suppliers there. Doesn't mean they are good suppliers, and they might bought the booth from the other agency or other companies. Anyone can buy the booth, even I can buy a booth. You don't know who you are dealing with. You can't just show up to the fair and do everything yourself. You need help. That's what we do for the members from the Australian Importing Club.
Maintaining an office in China is critical to ensuring such a high success rate with Import Easy members. We spoke with Sandy, Jason and Fenty by the pool to explore what happens inside the China office and how they feel about the community inside the Australian Importing Club.
I am Sandy from AIC China. It's very exciting here. I'm very honored to work with AIC and members in Australia. AIC China is not just an office. It is just like a family. We share our happy things or interesting things or some painful things. Yeah.
Hello, it's Fenty. I also work in AIC China, and I'm so happy I can be with you guys together, and I enjoy this job. Though I only joined AIC like 5 months ago, I can feel their happiness, and I am happy to be here because it's quite different from the previous job. For me, the members are not only clients; they're also friends to us. Yeah. And we wish we could help them to run their business well and help them to build a successful business. And in the weekends, we will also get together for the group dinner or go to the karaoke to sing a song. Yeah, that's quite good. Actually, I'm really happy to have this job here in AIC, and I hope I can work as long as I can here. Yeah, thank you.
The AIC China is just like a big family. We often go out for a group dinner, and sometimes we will invite our employees' parents or husband or kids. We will sit together and also we have once a year which we call team training, traveling, and we have been to 2 places I think. One is for the
Hot Spring, which is closer. During that time, it's only Jeff and me. But now we have so many people. We have 5 employees, including me, 6. We will fly to seaside cities such as Qingdao to take. I cook for them. And they